2017 $1 bill with serial number K11265800E. Is it rare? Could it be worth more than face value? Let's find out. This note was printed for the Dallas Federal Reserve Bank. That's what the K at the beginning and end of the serial number tells us. Now let's check the serial K11265800E. It's not a fancy serial number like a radar, ladder, or repeater. It's also not a star note. There are no visible printing errors, no misalignments, ink smears, or cutting mistakes. So what's it worth? Right now, it's worth exactly $1 face value. But remember, always check your bills carefully. A simple error or rare serial number could make a big difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel, Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Thanks for watching, and always check your change. There could be a hidden treasure right in your wallet.